Here are the tools required for installation. The lever comes with everything else you will need. Preparing the door. Through bolts are provided and recommended for use in high-security doors. Using the included template, fold and place on the door and mark holes for the through bolts. Once the holes are marked, first drill a small pilot hole. Then using a 3/8 drill bit, complete the hole for the through bolts, and repeat the process on the other side of the door. Your door is now ready for installation. Insert the push pin into the hole in the inside lever and depress the catch. Remove the inside lever and rose. Install the 2 3/4 inch latch into the edge of the door. Make sure the angled face of the latch is facing the door jamb. Screw the latch on the door, but do not tighten the screws completely. Place the lock body into position. Make sure the latch prongs engage the chassis housing and the slide engages the latch tail as shown. Install the inside spring cage and tighten with the 4 mounting screws. Align the dimples on the rose with the slots on the spring cage. Push the rose flush against the door. Push the lever completely onto the spindle until it locks into place. Test the lever to make sure the catch is fully engaged. Install the ASA strike and secure with the 2 screws provided. For the entry functions, once the door is closed, the deadlocking plunger will be retracted. To replace the cylinder, insert the key and turn it 75 degrees clockwise. Insert the push pin into the hole in the outside lever and depress the catch. Remove the outside lever. Remove the cylinder and replace it. Insert the new key. Then turn the key to about 80 degrees clockwise and push the lever all the way onto the spindle.